Good morning, lovers. So welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a vlog style video today. I got a few things that I gotta get done today. A lot of stuff is definitely for Frivolous Beauty, my business, if you guys do not know. Even though yes, I am a beauty content creator and a part-time makeup artist, I still have my own beauty brand. 5 years in, baby. September makes 5 years. I'm so excited. But yeah, I have a lot of things that I gotta get done today. I have to fold laundry. I need to take Max a bath. Max is my dog. Edit YouTube videos to post today because I do have a challenge. I'm challenging myself to post a video literally every single day for the month of August so we can hit 1,000 subscribers and get to monetizing. We're gonna go live today on TikTok. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a few things today. So if you guys are interested in vlog style videos like this, a day in my life, definitely make sure you guys stay tuned, watch the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, baby, I don't know what you're doing, but definitely go subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. But yeah, let's get to this video. Hey guys, so showered. You guys actually saw me take Max a bath. I forgot I had to take him a bath, so I did that before I did anything else. Make sure I ate and everything, because now we're gonna go live on TikTok. I always go live on TikTok. I try to go live literally every single day, at least twice a day, for 2 to 3 hours. And this honestly just helps bring people onto the site, because as we continue to grow our other social media platforms, TikTok right now is the most active for us, where we can have people, like we have people on there all the time. So it is Friday, so today is free shipping Friday. Every Friday I always try to do free shipping. And we're gonna try to get some of our sweet and spicy palettes sold. Now this is my personal one. As you guys can see, she's very much well loved. So you guys are gonna see a little bit of me on live. I actually have my camera right here set up like this, such. I'm actually in my son's room right now, because as you guys can see, his lighting is way better than mine. I got a big tree blocking my window, so yeah, I always like to come in here and try to do makeup looks and stuff like that. But oh goodness, I look super pale right now because how bright it is. But yeah, so let's get into this live. And my goal is to do 5 palettes today, so 5 palettes today. Try to get at least 10 orders today, so we shall see, well, hey you guys. Okay, so I didn't finish vlogging yesterday. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I was on live for about an hour and a half, maybe like an hour and a half, and I don't know, I was getting super discouraged with my business. That it starts to kind of take a toll on me, where mentally I just wasn't in the zone to promote my business or showcase my products or anything like that. So I ended up vlogging for the day, and I literally just kind of like sit in bed and try to figure out like what is it that I can do to help promote my business a little bit more. What kind of marketing strategies can I intake, and see if I can, like, you know, see if it works for me, pretty much. And yeah, I feel like I didn't really find anything, if I'm being honest. I don't know, maybe I'm just looking in the wrong places. So yeah, that's what happened yesterday. Today I woke up still a little discouraged, contemplating whether or not I should go on live. I went on TikTok live for about like 30 minutes. Honestly, I did get an order, which is absolutely amazing. I want to try to consistently get like 5 to 10 orders a day. Like, that's my goal. Last month was extremely slow. I did less than I did the month before. And then I feel like this month is kind of like getting a little slow too. And I get it, I understand school is coming, back to school is happening or whatnot, like, you know, whatnot. So now it's just okay, what can I do to be a little bit innovative, you know? So I am gonna go back on live later. I did just eat breakfast. I had avocado toast. I took my Maxi boy for a walk this morning. I had my coffee. I edited my YouTube video for the day and posted it. I gotta edit this one. But yeah, I gotta try to figure out what it is that I can do, honestly, to make my lives a lot more fun, to get people to be more interactive, because I feel like that's what's really missing as well. My lives get boring super fast. Honestly, I get bored on my lives, so if I'm getting bored on my lives, I can guarantee other people are getting bored on my lives. So yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to like make everything more fun. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end this vlog here, honestly, or if something else exciting happens, then I'll just, you know, I'll turn the camera back on. But yeah, if this is the end of the vlog, thank you guys for watching. I know it was super short. But yeah, I'll see you guys.